It's true. There's just one place a woman doesn't want to be thin: her hair. 45% of all women will experience aging hair, thinning hair, or hair loss before they're 50. Luckily, thinning hair and hair loss is treatable. In many cases, it can even be stopped or reversed. Hair loss prevention takes expertise from certified hair loss professionals like us. Headfirst Certified Hair Renewal Centers offer prevention, renew, and regrowth products created with proven natural ingredients, as well as personalized services that create a healthy scalp environment to help stop hair loss and stimulate new growth. If your hair condition worries you, your search ends here. Great hair? Keep it. Thinning hair? Restore it. Severe loss? Replace it. Headfirst Hair Renewal Centers are part of a nationwide network of certified experts on a mission to make hair loss a thing of the past. Healthy scalp, beautiful hair. You can't have one without the other. Contact us now.